On a windy autumn evening in a kitchen scented with cinnamon and damp leaves, I open a worn notebook and begin. This story is based on a true story. It starts with a young scientist in Hungary, where snowfall arrives early and quiet laboratories hide in old corridors. She loved questions more than easy answers, chasing stubborn problems rather than following neat rumors. She studied hard, watched doors close for reasons as thin as doubt, and kept a spark. Cells could do remarkable things if told the right story. Years passed, the path stayed narrow and rocky. Resources were scarce, and funding slid away like sand through fingers. Still, she wrote letters, gathered small grants, and folded hope into her work like careful origami that might bridge a world someday. Her work moved on a patient clock, not chasing a single lightning strike, but a quiet rhythm about messenger RNA, the instructions that tell cells what to build. The idea was simple and bold. Could we deliver a safe script into the body to teach cells to produce protective proteins? A tiny message that asks a cell to defend itself. To some ears, it sounded miraculous. To others, it sounded like a rumor, yet she kept refining it. A collaborating immunologist joined, two minds listening until doubt could be coached into wonder. And through careful experiments, they found that a small change in the message could guide the body to respond rather than panic. Not magic, but chemistry and courage. A stubborn dance after years of trips on the same floorboards. Slow to be recognized, the idea finally clicked with a chorus of scientists, doctors, volunteers, and colleagues around the world. The mRNA blueprint became a script that could shift quickly to new threats. Companies began to turn that script into vaccines, saving millions of lives. Back in the kitchen, I remember storms of skepticism, sleepless nights, and the stubborn persistence of one idea that could become a lifeline for the world. This story isn't about a single moment of genius. It's about showing up when it's hardest and choosing to stay. The twist you rarely hear in headlines is that courage to pursue a controversial idea for years doesn't end when a vaccine is born. It becomes a daily practice, a way of living that keeps curiosity alive. From a small lab in Hungary to a bustling team across oceans, the journey is a map of resilience and quiet generosity that keeps a dream alive. So I ask you, what bold idea are you willing to chase for years no matter how many doors seem closed?